today we'll be unboxing Spryzen Requiem S3. So there was a video when I uploaded, and you know what? You remember when I said like Spryzen Requiem's tip broke? So we just bought a new one. So let's see the stats. 5 attack, 10 weight, 1 burst, 3 agility, 3 defense, and 3 stamina. I don't know why they put 3 on both of them, but attack would probably be the best. So it's a balance type. From like a few minutes ago, I just unboxed the bell case from another video. So let's get unboxing this this cool bay. So it's already it's Turbo Series now, and I want to like get like good bays from Turbo, but like I have like some I only have like 4 good. I have like some good Turbo Beyblades, but like some shops don't even sell very good bays. Like in America, they sell like the best bays. Not Australia sells the worst because I live in Australia. This is impossible to unbox, so we have to get.
No, not.
Cameraman just helped me unbox this Beyblade, and there. I just wanted to see what they were. And now, time for the best part. The bay. So, the trash. I don't know why Pepper just sells it. Then, so. I don't know. So my sister is like doesn't have a YouTube channel. So I really want her to have a YouTube channel. There are very good like bay tubers, and I really want to be I want to be good at like YouTubing. Like I don't know how many videos I've done. I think it was 7 or 8 now, or 5, because I haven't had a YouTube channel for such a long time. So the launcher. So I nearly put the launcher with the part. So let's just get this part off. So here is the bay. Spryzen Requiem S3. It has like rubber on both sides, and then it has like this very shiny X, and here's the code if you want to scan it. And there's like 2 big, very strong axes, so if you grab the ripcord, there's like, so you can put it left or right. But we're going to do that when the battle starts with the bay just in box go test. So here is 0. It's not like as heavy as like BDK says it, like Blast on Kid and Il Nick. So here's the tips. I can go to defense, just switch it, stamina. Oh, this is attack. And then next is stamina. This is stamina. This is attack. I get mixed up with it sometimes. So we're just gonna put it in defense. And then we're just going to put it together. The bay looks very cool. So, we're just going to grab my launcher over here, and we're going to put the trash just over here, where I don't really want it to be. So we're just going to put these two. So we're going to put bell case and Spryzen Requiem. So I'll tell you which my Spryzen Requiem is. But first we're going to be putting it in attack, because attack's the best. If you're not like if you just started a video, if you just started a YouTuber, you should be if you have like Beyblade, you should be a Beytuber. So the cameraman just gave me Spryzen Requiem. Let's see why Spryzen Requiem is trying to like get those attacks. Oh, look at Bellcash is very strong. So I don't think that Spryzen Requiem can win this because Bellcash is a very talented talented.
Oh.
So cameraman just said, oh, whoa, I don't know what he said. So let's see. Spryzen Requiem. They did. It was no like movement. So now we're gonna be putting him into stamina. But we're gonna focus first because this bay is like the best at like the best have right evolution that they made. It should have been like drank fast in here. It's like I did a video with drank fast in here. I know what happened. But like Spryzen Requiem was like beast. So it's 1-0, and I heard say that Spryzen Requiem can get like any like good things. Spryzen looks like that he's gonna win this with a very good stamina finish. Maybe not, cause it's like a balance bay, but it's actually like goes for like attack, defense, then attack, then stamina. I don't know why it goes like that. It should be defense, stamina, then attack. Bellcash was really good at that very good stamina finish. So we would do so in next video we would do like with my sister. So with my sister who he doesn't really like Beyblade, and she could actually leave because like she doesn't really love Beyblades that much. So who's gonna be winning this battle? Is it Spryzen Requiem or is it gonna be the best Bellcash? I hope so that it's gonna be Bellcash because he's a lot of stamina, but he's mostly like defensive and like the attacks like with like that wraps it with this video. I hope so. I hope so we can do another video with my. Well, I wish I could do a video with my sister. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.